Hi, my name is Diego. I am very happy that I found the Pierce Chiropractic Clinic. I had been experiencing a bit of a chronic neck pain and it wasn't subsiding. I would go to chiropractic, your typical chiropractic office, get adjusted, feel good for, I don't know, maybe a week, a few days, but the problem kept coming back. And a good buddy of mine was able to talk with Dr. Mark Wade, and he told me about his practice that he had been working with, Pierce Clinic, and told me about a new type of procedure that they were doing. And so I was very intrigued, figured I'd give it a shot. So pretty amazed to learn about the atlas bone, how it works, kind of like a compass for your body. And if the compass is not aligned, it kind of throws off the rest of your body, and your body tries to compensate in weird ways. Your body's trying to make your spine straight, but if it's off, then everything is off. So it was all new to me. It was something I hadn't heard about before, but kind of doing a little bit more research, talking a little bit more about it, just, let's give it a shot. This is where it gets kind of crazy because you're able to see the before and after. So before we did x-rays, and I was able to see kind of just how off kilter my whole body was. Then we also ran some functional tests. There were some big issues. So that's, where it started. So right away, we were able to do the atlas adjustment. Immediately, we could see from x-rays that already my body had started to get back into realignment. And then we were doing some postural correction, some, secondary activities with just recalibrating my body. So we had the initial, started seeing the immediate results, and then right away correcting kind of the posture issues and kind of calibrating my brain and my muscles and everything to start to work in alignment. And so, yeah, it's been amazing. I keep telling them it's a paradigm shift because without having experienced it, I kind of just believed I would have the problem forever, my neck issue. It's interesting because I don't have that problem anymore. It's only been a few months that I've been coming, even though the problem has been gone for many months now, or I should say, probably within a month, the pain had subsided and now everything is just, I think, way better. So I'm a huge believer in what they're doing here. I think it's fantastic. I think every other chiropractic clinic, they are in trouble if they don't understand what's going on here. This is fixing the root of the problem to get the rest of the body in alignment, and everything else that like your typical chiropractic clinic is doing is just secondary, third order effects. They're never fixing the actual problem. I don't think I've been adjusted once here in the typical way that you would at your regular 15-minute chiropractic spot or whatever. This has all been just getting my atlas bone in alignment and then fine tuning the posture to make everything work. Huge believer in what they have going on here. Highly recommend it. If you have chronic pain, this is where you first should start. And I guarantee you, well, at least in my case, it absolutely solved the issues I had. And I can't see myself ever going to any other practice after this.